Hello kids, I'm Priyanka and I'm back again with my new question answer chapter of the true successor. Choose the correct alternatives. Ministers went to the king and requested him to option number A, consult an astrologer, adopt a child, throw a party, go to the jungle. Option number B, adopt a child. The king gave his people seeds, flour, books, and clothes. Option number A, seeds. State whether the following statement sentences are true or false. The king of the great kingdom, Mahapal, has many sons. It is true or false? It is false. The king announced for a competition to choose a successor for his kingdom. True ki false? It is true. The queen suggested the king to adopt the child. True or false? It is true. Sorry, it's false. Only one man bought a pot with many beautiful plants. It's true or false? It's false. The minister and the judges opposed the king's decision. It's true or false? False. Answer the following question. Why did the king organize a competition? King ने competition क्यों रखा? The king organized a competition to choose a successor ताकि वो अपना successor ढूंढ पाए. What was the competition? Competition क्या था? The competition was to grow plants with the seeds given by the king. Competition ये था कि सबको plant grow करना है जो seed king ने दिया है उससे. How did Vikram win competition? Vikram competition कैसे जीता? Vikram won the competition by speaking the truth that he could not grow any plant. क्योंकि विक्रम ने सच बोला कि वो कोई भी plant grow नहीं कर पाया. What quality of Vikram is portrayed in the story? मतलब कौन सा विक्रम का quality portray किया गया है story में? The story shows that Vikram was quite truthful and honest. ये story ये बताता है कि विक्रम बहुत ज़्यादा सच्चा और ईमानदार था. Find out one word from the group word given below. To take someone child legacy इसको legally इसको हम बोलते हैं adopt, ADOPT, adopt. One who succeed another person is successor, SUCCESSOR, successor. To give judgment is adjudge, ADJUDGE, adjudge. A house in which a king lives, it is palace, PALACE, palace. Match the following word. ऑप्शन नंबर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 दैट इज थ्राइव का हो जाता है हमारा टू प्रॉस्पर. लुक आउट फॉर इसका होता है हमारा सर्च. अप्रिशिएट इट मीन्स टू प्रेज. ऑप्शन नंबर क्वेश्चन नंबर डी दैट इज स्क्रीम मतलब टू क्राई लाउडली. fill in the blanks with chosen correct word. These animals are rarely in captivity. These animals rarely thrive in captivity. He fell down with a big dash, with a big scream. Dash food is good for health. Roasted, ROASTED, roasted food is good for health. Aruna was dash the leader of campaign. Aruna was appointed, APPOINTED, appointed the leader of campaign. Okay, complete the sentences by inserting ALI in the ब्लैंक्स. आपको क्या करना है, आपको इसके बीच में एक वर्ड फिट करना है और वो वर्ड हो सकता है ए या फिर एल या फिर आई. ठीक है. अब EXCITED दैट इज एक्साइटेड. CHARACTER कैरेक्टर. APPOINT appoint. MAINTAIN maintain. TALENTED talented. Now, fill in the blanks by converting the words in the brackets shown in an example. I dash acknowledge my elder sister helping in completing my projects. I gratefully, GRATEFULLY, gratefully acknowledge my elder sister help in completing the project. The tortoise ran dash and won the race. The tortoise ran slowly, SLOWLY, slowly and won the race. Being an avid reader, Arpit speak English fluently, FLUENTLY, fluently. The crowd was very well behaved. They waited dash for an actor patiently, PATIENTLY, patiently. Akshat is generous. He agreed readily, READILY, readily to lend me his hockey stick. Now, next. Okay. Next is read the passage and give the answer. Passage 1. The king announced, people of this great kingdom, I welcome you all. I want to select talented and good individual to ascend the throne after me. For this reason, I am holding a small competition. I will hand out plant seeds to each person. The seeds are to be planted and maintained well for 3 months. Whoever bring the best grown plant and colorful flowers will be chosen the crown prince. A person who can take care of the plant and make them grow can also make the kingdom prosper. Whom did the king welcome to the palace? King ने किन को वेलकम किया पैलेस में? The king welcomed his people to the palace. King ने अपने लोगों को वेलकम किया पैलेस में. What was king looking for? King क्या ढूंढ रहा था? The king was looking for a successor. King अपना successor ढूंढ रहा था, मतलब उत्तराधिकारी. What did he do to find his true successor? क्या किया उसने true successor ढूंढने के लिए? The king held a competition to find out a true successor. उसने एक competition रखा. The person who can take care of the plant will also take care of the prosperity of the people. Whose thinking was it? इट वॉज किंग्स थिंकिंग. ये किंग की थिंकिंग थी कि जो प्लांट का ध्यान रख पाएगा वो मतलब हमारे लोगों की भी ध्यान रख सकता है. वॉट राइट द वर्ड फ्रॉम द पैसेज विच मीन्स सिंगल पर्सन. सिंगल पर्सन का मतलब क्या होता है इसमें? इंडिविजुअल. राइट द वर्ड फ्रॉम द पैसेज विच इज ऑपोजिट टू बिग. बिग का ऑपोजिट क्या होता है? स्मॉल. पैसेज 2. My dear people, this was Vikram who had not grown any plant, will be my successor. The people were disappointed. The ministers and the judge were shocked. The king continued, I was looking for a man with a strong character, and I found him. I had all the seed roasted before I gave it to them. The fact was kept a secret. I was on the lookout for an honest man. When I saw the spot without any plant, I knew that I have found the honest man. The people were surprised. The ministers and judges appreciated the king for his wise decision. King Mahendra declared Vikram the prince of Mahapal. Whom did the king announce a successor? King ने किसको अपना successor बनाया? The king announced successor Vikram as a successor. Vikram को. Why were the judges and the ministers shocked? सारे judges और ministers shocked क्यों थे? They were surprised to see that king had made Vikram a successor who had not grown any plant. वो इस बात को लेकर shocked थे कि king ने विक्रम को अपना successor चुना जिसने कोई भी plant grow नहीं किया था. What was the king looking for? King क्या ढूंढ रहे थे? The king was looking for a man with strong character. King एक ऐसा इंसान ढूंढ रहे थे जिसका character बहुत strong हो. What did the king done with the seed before giving them to people? King ने क्या किया था seeds लोगों को देने से पहले? The king had got all seed roasted before giving to them. King ने सारे seed roast कर दिए थे लोगों को देने से पहले. Why did the minister and the judges praise the king? क्यों minister ने judges ने king को praise किया? The minister and the judges praised the king for his wise decision. उसके वाइज डिसीजन के लिए. राइट द वर्ड फ्रॉम द पैसेज विच मीन्स मैन्योर. मैन्योर का मतलब क्या है? फर्टिलाइजर्स. थैंक यू.